Hi guys, it's Kath. I have a super exciting video for you today. Because so many of you enjoyed my Seattle Dollhouse kit video, I'm partnering with Banggood.com to give away one of those kits. All you need to do to enter is leave a comment below saying I want it, like the video and be a subscriber, and click on the 2 product links in the description. This giveaway is global, so you can enter no matter where you are in the world. I love these kits because they come with absolutely everything that you need. The walls, the floors, the accessories, absolutely everything. The winner will be chosen at random and announced in a week. The contest starts today and ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on March 12th. I love the modern style of this kit and had so much fun building it. I customized the kit to fit my style with a bunch of tips and tricks that you can check out in that DIY video. It comes with so many accessories and even lights up. If you guys like these giveaways, I'll be sure to host more of them. Good luck and I'll see you next time. Bye.